Hi guys, welcome to Free Digital Marketing course. In last lesson, we discussed the introduction of digital marketing, and today we will be discussing all the modules of digital marketing that you need to understand before starting your career in digital marketing. Before starting, one important thing, all the videos in this digital marketing course are interconnected. So if you need to understand next video, then you have to watch this video till the end. And please subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot. So let's go to our screen and understand the different modules of digital marketing.
Some of the very important component of digital marketing, or you can say modules of digital marketing, are search engine marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, social media advertising, content marketing, email marketing, web analytics, sales funnel, conversion rate optimization. So let's discuss it one by one, and I'm requesting you all to don't skip any point because each and every point is very important for your digital marketing career. First is search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is also called SEM. SEM is a process that used to increase the visibility of a website in search engine result page, or SERP, by purchasing ads on search engine. Search engine marketing platforms are Google using Google AdWord, Bing, Yahoo. To understand search engine marketing, we need to go on Google and let's check. To understand SEM, I'm taking an example. I am searching my keyword like tool for data science. So this is my keyword, tools for data science, and this ad came. This AD part significant that it is a ad. It means these guys paid Google AdWords for showing their ad on search engine result page. It's also called search ad, and below that we can see it's a organic. It's not, there is no ad, it means it's organic. This is done by SEO, and this is done by SEM. In SEM you need money, and in SEO you need only and only effort. The second module is search engine optimization, that is also called SEO. SEO is a process which used to increase the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine result. SEO helps to get free traffic, also called organic traffic. And this is my favorite topic, and we are going to discuss this SEO topic in detail. Next, we have the three types of SEO: on page SEO, technical SEO, off page SEO. On page SEO relates to the content of your website. It includes strategies to optimize an individual page on a website, help search engines to understand the topic of the content. It means you need to write your content of your website in such a way so that it will be easy for search engine to understand about the content about the website. Second, we have technical SEO. It includes strategies to improve a website backend structure and foundation. Technical SEO improves website readability and provide a good user experience. Guys, technical SEO contain a lot of things like meta description, meta title. I will discuss this in detail in my upcoming videos. I will make a separate videos for these kind of thing, this SEO. So let's not deep dive about these things. So be stick on our topic. So third part is off page SEO. Off page SEO refer to all the activities that you and other do away from your website to raise the ranking of a page with search engine. Like in off page SEO, we are writing article, making backlink. It's again a very long topic. I will make a separate video for these. Our third module is social media marketing. Social media marketing refer to the process of gaining traffic and attention using social media sites. Some of the very popular social media network are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Snapchat. I know you guys already know about that, but I need to discuss here while explaining social media marketing. The short form of social media marketing is SMM. Some people are also calling it organic social media. Nowadays, more and more companies are using social media marketing techniques to promote their brand on social media. They are using Facebook, they are using Instagram, they are using Twitter, and all the things. How they are using Facebook? They are creating Facebook page using their company name. They are posting photos of their company, they are posting blogs of their company on Facebook page on using Facebook only, and it is a organic method. How they are using Instagram? They are posting photos, they are posting videos on Instagram using, and they write hashtag, they create hashtag on Instagram. So same as on Twitter. LinkedIn is also there. LinkedIn also, on LinkedIn you can also use hashtag links. YouTube is also there. They are creating video about their company introduction and all, and promote on YouTube. Pinterest is also there, and Snapchat is also there. So, if you are promoting your company in an organic way, in an organic way without using money on social media, it means you are doing social media marketing. Next module is social media advertising. Social media advertising is a must if you are looking to reach a new targeted audience. You need to put real money for that. It's also called paid marketing. Some of the examples are Facebook ads using Facebook Business Manager, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads. In social media advertising, we have many platforms, and each platform is quite different from each other. Like Facebook ad is different from Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, and Twitter ads. Each have different objective. We will be covering all the topics of social media advertising in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel because it will motivates me a lot. So, our next module is content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating and sharing valuable free content to attract prospects and convert them into customers. The goal is to educate, entertain, and inspire people to earn their trust and build brand awareness. The three phases of content marketing are awareness phase, consideration phase, purchase phase. This content marketing strategy may sounds very difficult, but actually it's very easy. Let's take my example. I am delivering free digital marketing course and you guys are consuming free digital marketing course from me. There is possibility like you guys might like my way of teaching, might like my content, and there is also possibility like if in future I give you a paid course, then some of you may buy that course from me. So, this is the power of content marketing. So, let's discuss the benefits of content marketing. We have three benefits of content marketing, that is cost saving, loyal customer, improve sales. So, our next module is email marketing. Email marketing is a form of direct marketing that uses email to promote their businesses, product and services. So I am taking example of e-commerce company, like we all know about Amazon, Flipkart. So whenever a new offer is live on their website, they must send an email to their customer about the offer, like this offer is live on their website. If you buy this, you can get this. If you buy this, get 10% off. These kind of thing. Most of the people are getting these kind of email on their email. So this strategy is email marketing, and nowadays more and more companies are using this strategies and growing their brand and selling stuff on email marketing, and it's very popular and effective. So our next module is web analytics. Web analytics is the process of analyzing the behavior of a visitor to a website. This web analytics should be done by using different tools. We have a lot of tools in market. One of my favorite tool is Google Analytics tool, which is free. You can see the behavior of the customer. You can see from where the customer is entering. You can see the location of the customer. You can see the how many purchase he has done, how many page view he has done. A lot of things you can see in Google Analytics, and or you can say in web analytics. I will create a separate videos for Google Analytics and how to install the Google Analytics and link to your website. All the think about Google Analytics in my upcoming videos. Our next module is sales funnel. Sales funnel, also known as revenue funnel, refer to the buying process that companies lead customer through when purchasing product. The four basic sales funnel stages are awareness, interest, decision, action. To explain sales funnel, I am taking an example of Netflix. Netflix is the most used paid subscriber video streaming service that allow its user or member to watch a wide variety of award winning movies, TV shows and documentaries. There is possibility that you might saw any video ad of Netflix on your social media like on your Facebook or Instagram. It means you are on awareness phase. And when you downloaded it, it means you already built an interest in that particular app. And there is possibility that you might saw some of the seasons and movies of Netflix, and it means like you already interested in that. And one after 1 month subscription is ended, as we all know that Netflix is providing 1 month free trial to their user. So it after 1 month subscription is ended, and you decided to purchase the subscription, it means you are on decision phase. And when you purchase, it means you have done an action. It means you have done a conversion or purchase. You are on action phase. So the sales funnel of Netflix is very clear, like providing free 1 month trial to their user and convert them into action. Understanding sales funnel is not that much easy. You need to understand each and every branch of digital marketing, consumer behavior, each and every part of marketing to understand the sales funnel. So it's not that much easy. So we are on middle of digital marketing and we will learn all the thing about that. Our next module is conversion rate optimization. Conversion rate optimization is a system for increasing the percentage of visitor to a website that convert into customer, or more generally take any desired action on a web page. I am taking an example of Flipkart. Let's say Flipkart is running an ad of a mobile phone. They are selling a new mobile phone on their website and they are running ad for that mobile phone. People are clicking on their ad, they are interacting with the ad and come to the website, but most of the people are not purchasing the phone. Only 2% people only 2% are purchasing that particular phone. It means conversion rate is very low. It means how many people click on that particular ad and come to the website compared to how many people are actual converted means purchase that product, purchase that mobile, is low. It means conversion rate is low. So to we need to optimize that conversion rate. So we need to identify what exactly the problem, where is the problem. Like we are getting traffic from Facebook, we are getting traffic from Google, we are getting traffic from Google ads, everything. And where exactly the problem, to understand and optimize the conversion rate, you need to understand the whole module of digital marketing like SEO, SEM, all the things you need to understand. So next we have a basic definition and formula of conversion rate formula. Conversion rate are calculated by simply taking the number of conversions and dividing that by the number of total ad interactions that can be tracked to a conversion during the same time period. For example, if you had 50 conversions, from 1000 interactions. For 1000 interactions means 1000 clicks, your conversion rate would be 5%, since 50 divided by 1000 equals to 5%. And this is the formula of conversion rate. So that's it for today. I hope you guys understand the modules of digital marketing. In my upcoming videos, I will cover in deep detail each and every module. And I must say, digital marketing is not theoretical thing; it's a practical thing. We will cover all the practical thing in my upcoming videos. Like we will create live Facebook campaign, like live Google AdWord campaign in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe and connect with me. And thank you so much for watching.